is the 14th of October 2020, and what was the address again?
Tuularinkatu 4.
Staircase E. Let's see, Tampere, of course, Pirkanmaa region, Finland. And it was built in 1964 by Kone. Turned 55 years old last year, 2019. The capacity is 3 persons of 240 grams. It will be inspected in 2022. The serial number is H11678. This is amazing.
Yeah.
Each building has 3 staircases. They are all interconnected.
Yeah.
We can also go to the staircase D, but it's busy. We'll see.
Yeah.
Then later we'll try to get into any of the A, B, and C because they're all connected, or
Yeah.
they should be.
Yeah.
Alright, just in case. If we don't get into A, B, and C, no, we'll
Yeah.
see. We'll see.
Yeah.
Well, we also have to check those other buildings over there.
Yeah.
On the other side. We can also go there because in here it's like we only have to get into one of them.
Yeah.
A, B, and C. Then we can get all.
Yeah.
Because in the next ones we don't know
Yeah.
if we need to do them separately or not.
Yeah.
That's why I think it's a bit better idea to go there first and then
Yeah.
do those A, B, and C. Or it depends, of course.
Mentiin paikkivaispäin, mentiin paikka on.
This building it used to be open before. Or it has been. There's no intercom, no code, nothing.
That's